That day I take out and put it back. Because this one is difficult. I don't have the long screwdriver because I have the short, this one.
Yeah. It's broken. It's okay. So, this one, there. This.
Take out this one. Only this one.
It's number 10. Oh, what's this? Look at this. What is this? What is up with you? Ah, yeah. Open it up. Where's that thing? It's okay, it's okay. You don't need to like. Can move it from here.
You know, same time.
Oh, it's yeah, super dirty. Look at this.
Yeah, the same time.
Yeah, blow it.
I
with the-
start it. I had the spray. I buy.
Same. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There.
I can put it here.
Yeah. Can you lift this a little bit? Okay, get it. It's okay, other one. What's this? There you go. Yeah, got it. There you go.
Oh, this one automatically. Oh. That is the half is the change the conduct. The half I spray.
Yeah.
You know, before the one day
Yeah.
I stop the engine on the top side.
Yeah.
Engine suddenly stop. RPM go up and down, up and down.
Yeah.
And then I take out the filter. I buy the new one. Spray this almost finish.
Yeah.
And then raise it one guy and then spray. Raise it, spray. After that, its guard is okay. Nothing wrong.
You can do it, but this one is electronic. So I mean, like, I don't wanna mess up with electronic.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's good.
I see something.